Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve practice exercise 3.4 from Mano book, and we are given the question for the Boolean function f(x,y,z). We have that function there. For the question A, express this function as a sum of minterms, and B, find the minimal sum of products expression. Okay, maybe the easiest thing to do for the question A is just to make a truth table. Okay, and we have 3 variables, so we will have 8 rows starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then we need the x, and then y, and z. The x will be 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the y will be alternating 2 zeros, 2 ones, and then 2 zeros, and then 2 ones. And the z will be alternating between 0 and 0, 1, 0, 1, and then 0, 1, and then 0. Okay, so now we need to write out the function f on the right hand side of the table here. We have f here. Okay, now let's put this one by one. 0, 0, 0. This will make this one 0. This one will be 0. This one will be 0, and this one will be 0. So the f will be 0. And then for 1, the z is 1. But anything else is 0. So the z is 1, but the x is 0. So this will be 0. This will be 0 also because the y is 0. And then this one, x prime plus z, that will results in 1, right? Because x prime is 1 and z is 1, but yz is 0. So the 1 comes from here, so we will have 1 here. Okay, we have to be patient here. And for 0, 1, 0, the y is 1. Okay, so this will result in 0, and then this will result in 1. Yeah, I think we have 1 here because x prime is 1 and the y is 1. If we have 1 here, all other will, yeah, we will have 1 in, right? Okay, now we have the number 3 here, 0, 1, 1. The yz will result in 1, so we will have 1 here. And for the 4, we will have 1, 0, 0, and I think we will have this as 0. Yeah, because the z is 0. X prime, okay, x prime is 0, so never mind of this. And yz is also 0, so we will have 0 here. Okay, now this one, 1, 0, 1, the term xy will be 1, and we have this one will be 1. Y prime is 1, so we will have 1 here. Okay, and for the 6, the z is 0, so we will have, this will be 0, 0, and 0. And x prime y, what is x prime y? X prime is 0, so this will also be 0. Okay, now 1, 1, 1, and I think this yz alone is enough to get us 1 here. Okay, so now let's write it in terms of minterms. Okay, sum of minterms. So usually we will have the f x, y, z is equal to sigma of the minterm with the index of the 1 here. Okay, because the 1 is in here. Okay, we will have the sum of the index there. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, I think that's all for the question A, but we need to do another question, which is question B. Okay, now we draw the K-map first. I will usually draw XY here, and I usually draw the Z here. Okay, now let's draw the line. Okay, we will have a 0, 0. And then 0, 1, and be careful here, we don't have 1, 0, but 1, 1 here, and we will have 1, 0 here. And let's put the Z here. The Z is 0 here and 1 here. Okay, now let's put all the 1 here. We have at 0, 0, 1 is 1, so we'll have 0, 0, 1, that is 1 here. Okay, and then 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0 is just 1. Okay, we will have this. And then 0, 1, 1. What is 0, 1, 1? 0, 1, 1 is that one there. And then what else? 5. 5 is 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. That should be here. 5. And then the 7. 1, 1, 1. So we will have 1, 1, 1 is here. Okay, and get the rest of it as 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now we can circle off the one that is for as a neighbor here. We have a group of ones here. Okay, but we can also circle this one, but we have an adjacent one there, so we can just circle it to make the circle bigger. Okay, now maybe let's see the yellow one here. Okay, and see what's difference. We have the X has 0 and 1 here, so the yellow one does not depend on X. And here also have different here, so the yellow one here does not depends on Y. So we only have the yellow one depends on Z. But then the Z value is 1, so we have Z here, not Z naught. So we will have Z here. And then let's see the pink part here. Okay. We see here the Z is different. That means the pink part does not depends on Z. Okay. It only depends on X and Y. But the X is 0, so we will have X naught there. But the Y is 1, so we will have Y here. And this comes from the pink part. Okay, and I think this is the result that we are looking for question B. So this is the answer for the question A. And the letter that is in the box is the answer for the question B. So this is the question A answers, and this is the question B answers. And that's all for this problem. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.